Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve a problem from the GFG weekly coding context 158. Guys, read the question. This is a GFG weekly coding context 158. It is a rated context. Guys, read this question. Uh, Traffic lights. Question name is traffic lights. Guys, you are responsible for managing a traffic lights. This question is asked in my recent interview. Like means not exactly same, but in the same pattern. In that question. Yeah, I will tell you difference what they ask you. What is here? You are responsible for managing traffic lights on a long stretch of the highway. Initially, all the traffic lights on the highway are set to red. There are an n traffic lights in total. You will be given q queries. Each of instructs you will to change the signal of the segment of the traffic lights. Each query specifies to indices a of a, b of a, indicating that all the traffic lights from a of a both inclusive should change their signals in the following manner. Guys, observe guys. Here following manner: a red light r changes to a red light R changes to red light Y, a yellow light Y changes to green, and a green light G changes to red light red. So guys, return the string of the length n final state of all the n traffic, uh, where ith character is the string denoted state of the ith character. Light after all the q queries, light q queries processed in the given order. Return the string of length n with the final state of all the n traffic lights, where ith character in the string denotes the state of the ith traffic light after all the q queries have been processed in the given order. Okay, guys. Given n lights and q queries 1 to 5, 1 to 4. So he got the final output is this. Guys, initially they are all are with red signals. Guys, here one thing you have to remember here is here he given here he given here he given let's suppose let's take this test case. Similar type of question asked in my recent interview, but not this much stuff. That question is very easy question, and the constants are here up to 10 power 5. He given the constants me up to only 10. So that question we can solve by using two loops. If you use here two loops, we will get time limit exceeded. So guys, here what question is actually he given is, for suppose let's take first test case, so you will understand much better. So guys, 1 to 5, 1 to 4, 3 to 4. uh, Guys, here for suppose here initially all are with n is equal to 5. He given the n is equal to 5, and 1 to 5, 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 3 to 4. So in r always change to y change to green change to r, right? In this order only, right? R change to white, y change to green change to r. Okay, guys, here observe. This is uh, I'm not saying it is a easy question. It is a tough question only, but you have to think here. The problem is 1 to 5. In first query we have to change all the street lights from 1 to 5. 1 to 5 means here, let assume it is a zero based indexing. So 1 to 5, 1 to 5 means here r2 all are changed to y y y y. 4 5 lights are changed to y. So 1 to 4 again y changes to green, right? 1 to 4, green here. Here guys, it is here r. Here sorry, here it is y only. Sorry, here the eraser is not working. Here it is y only. 1 to 5 means all r are changed to this. Then again 1 to 4, 1 to 4 means it remains here, it remains here y only. Here again 1 to 4 changed. Then now 3 to 4, 3 to 4 means 1 2 3 to 4. Now g changes to r. Here g r r y. So our output is this. So guys, this if you use two loops, this question is very easy, but we have to think. It is a very tough question. It is very not a very interesting problem. This problem involve multiple concepts. So I did this problem using dynamic programming. Guys, here what I am doing is I am calculating the frequency. How much times particular character is repeating. I am calculating the frequency of that position. How much time particular position is repeating with the chorus. How much time particular position is repeating with the chorus. I am calculating here. I am calculating here frequency of that position. For suppose here, for suppose if it is repeating, if it is repeating if it is repeating 5 times, if that position is repeating with the chorus 5 times, so in first position, first position r2y, in first frequency it changes to r2y, then in second frequency g2y, then g2r, right? And again, it is third, it is fourth, r to y. Now y to g, it is fifth, y to g. Okay, y to g. Okay guys, here five frequencies there. After all the five frequencies we get g. So I am calculating the frequency of the each position in O of n time complexity and O of n space complexity. I am using extra data structure here, but I am calculating here O of frequencies of the all the position with the which occurred in the given chorus. Here guys, one thing you have to remember here is, uh, here main thing is, here we have to notice something here. First r, then y, then g, then r, then y, then g. If it is, if frequency here, observe guys, here r it is y, if the frequency is 0 0, here 1 it is 2, again is 3 4, here 5. If the if here, one thing we have to remember here is, uh, guys, here observe how I calculated here, because I will tell you first how we are going to calculate the frequency of the each chorus. Here guys, for auto v, since it is all are vector queries v. Now guys, uh, int start, we have to take here one based indexing. Int start is equal to v of 0 minus 1, int end is equal to v of 1 v of 1. Why I am not doing here v of 1, I will tell you. I am taking one dp array, vector end uh, dp. Now guys, I have to calculate all the positions. I have to calculate all the positions here. dp of n plus 1 comma 0. Okay, n plus 1 comma 0. Okay guys, here why I took n plus 1 is, I will explain you that also. Guys, here what happening is, at the starting position this problem is, I did similar type of problem earlier also. You can check in my YouTube channel. At starting position I am increasing the, if for example here 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 3 to 4, and 1 to 4 is given, right, in first one. So I am taking the dp array from 0 1 2 3 4 5. I am including last position also here. Initially they are all are zeros. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, okay guys, 1 to 4, 1 to 5 means 1 to 5 I have to, 1 to here, here 1 based indexing I have to change this to 0 based indexing. So 0 to 4, 0 to 4 I am increasing with 1, 0 to 4 I am increasing with 1. Guys, here main problem is, main task is here, I am finding the frequency of the each position, how much time that particular position is repeating. Here main point here question is, how many times how many times that particular position is repeating. This is, if you find this, then remaining problem is easy. This, how many times particular position is repeating. So guys, here 0th position is repeating rate, so I am increasing this value by 1. So I have to find the frequency of that position. I have to find the frequency of that position. Okay guys, here observe, here and I have to take the ending plus 1. Ending means here it is in, if you take the one base zero based index, it is 4. I have to take starting point of, and I have to take ending point plus 1. Ending point plus 1 is how much? 1. So I have to decrease there. Here if you observe guys, here now I have to fill this array. If just I am taking only single test case here, only single, this query only I am taking, I have to add previous one plus present. Here one, previous one is 1. dp of I is equal to dp of I plus dp of I minus 1. dp of I plus dp of I minus 1. Here dp of I is 0. Here 0. dp of I minus 1. Then again I am feeling like this. Here why I took the minus 1 ending of this plus 1 at this position? It is 4, right? It is ending here. 1 0 1 to 5 means it is ending at 0 to 4. So at this position it should terminate. So I have to decrease here 1, because this interval is going to terminating here. Here this point is terminating. This particular query is terminating here. Particular query terminating here. Terminating. Okay. This particular query is terminating. Okay, guys. So guys, here one thing is okay. Now guys, like this, what I'm doing is here is now let's go to the actual problem. Now we have the I'm converting 1 comma 5, 3 comma 4, now 1 comma 4. This is 0 comma 4, 2 comma 3, this is 0 comma 3. Okay, now we have the dp array. We have dp array of length. It is 0 position, 1 position, 2 position, 3 position, 4th position, 5th position. Just ignore this part, we don't have this part. Initially they are all are with 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay guys, now what I am doing is I am taking the starting position. Starting position I have to increase by 1. So initially it is what? 0 0 plus 1. Now I am increasing it 1, and I have to add at the ending plus 1. I have to decrease 1 at the ending. So guys, here I am going to decrease this. I am going to decrease this. Now again 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 means I have to take starting position plus 1. Now I am increasing this value, starting position plus 1. And third position means at second position I have to, here 2 to 3 means 2 to 4. Fourth position I have to take, because this interval is going to terminate here. So we have to decrease 1 here. So guys, here what I am doing, here observe, here minus 1. Okay, here minus 1. Okay, now guys, here observe, let's take second, this position, let's take. Now guys, here 0 to 3, 0 to, I have to increase here 1 also. So here it becomes 2. 2 to 3. 2 to 3 means here again 2 to here it become 3, and 0th position it become 2. Again I have to decrease at third position. Third position means it is at plus 4. The ending plus 1. I have to decrease at ending plus 1. Decrease at ending plus 1, because we are terminating before, right? So I have to decrease there. So I have, what I have to do here, I have to decrease here. I have to decrease here this. So here it becomes this. Now guys, dp of I, if you apply dp of I is equal to dp of I plus I minus 1, I minus 1. So guys, here observe one thing. So we have this, don't this 0 don't have previous element, so I am changing, iterating from here. Why I took plus 4? Because for this, this is terminating index. For this is a terminating index. So I have to take just guys, here wait, take one test case and try your own, so you will understand more better. I am increasing it first position. Here whole concept is I am increasing at first position and decreasing at ending position plus 1. So guys, here observe, here it is 2 only. It is here also 2. Here it is 3. Okay, here it is 3. Now previous, here it is also 3. Now guys, observe, here previous and plus here 1. Here 1. Now previous plus 1, here it becomes 0. Okay, now guys observe, all frequencies 0 to 4, 0 to 4 repeating this, 0 to 4 this position is repeating how much times? 0 to 4. If you observe normal, if you go to the brute force, 0 to 0, we got this array, right? 0 to 4. So 0 1 2 3 4. So 0 at 0 to 4 it, all are occurring one time, right? So 1 1 1 1, I have to increase 1. Now 2 to 3, 2 to 3 means 0 2 to 3. So here, so here all are occurring, so it become 2 to 3, 2 2. Okay, 2 2. Then again what I am doing, 0 to 3, 0 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2, here it is 1, here it is 1, it is 1. 0 1 2 3 means here all are correct. So 2 2 3 3 1. So if you observe this, so this is, if you go the brute force method, we get frequency array like this, and if you go DP method, we also get the frequency like this. So guys, here what I am doing is, this is frequency. This is a trick to dynamic programming tip to calculate the frequency of the in given queries. Okay, okay guys, now what I am doing is, now this algorithm here I am applying here. So guys, here dp of so guys, here so dp of start plus plus dp of end minus minus. Okay guys, okay, now guys, observe dp of end minus minus. Now what I am doing is, uh, I excited so much after solving this problem, because this is a very interesting question. So I want to I am explaining this instead of pivot today, geeks for geeks pivot today. I choose this problem because this is a very interesting question, and this is very useful question also. Guys, here observe one thing. Here uh, n plus plus. Here I am taking here n, because anyway the last index is going to become 0. Fifth position index, that becomes 0. Here we have to n plus 1. I am taking here n because last position is always terminating, right? It is always be 0. Now guys, now guys, dp of sorry, here here n plus 1 only. This is, now we are calculating, here we have to traverse from the first index. Guys, don't get confused. You try your own, take one test case and try your own, so you will understand more better. dp of I minus 1. If you apply a test case on this algorithm also, you can easily understand this problem. dp of I is equal dp of I minus 1 plus 1. Now guys, observe observe here, this is we got the frequencies. Now what I have to do is, now again I have to iterate through the, now I am taking n up to n. Why? Because we are not supposed to take the frequency of last element. Last position is n, right? N position is always going to terminate. So I have to take only n positions. N strings, they are starting from 0 to n. Now guys, int rem. Now guys, rem is equal to dp of I modulo 3. I modulo 3. Okay, I modulo 3. If rem is equal to 0, I will explain you this logic. Here guys, what happening is, here what happening is, initially it is r, then y, then g, then again r, then y, then g. So if the frequency is 0, if remainder is 0, then r, right? You observe here, this is 0th frequency, 1 frequency, 2 frequency, 3 frequency, 4 frequency, 6 frequency, 7 frequency. Okay, sorry, 5 after 5 it is 6, right? 6 frequency. If modulo is 0, it is r. If frequency modulo, if frequency modulo 3 is equal to 0, it is remainder, it is r. If it is 1, observe guys, here y, it is, if the remainder is 1, observe, if the remainder is 1, then it is y. If the remainder is 2, it is g. Here this thing we have to think. This question is yesterday geeks for weekly coding contest question. So guys, here answer dot push back. I have to declare one string of answers here. String answer is equal to this answer dot pushback. Answer dot pushback or else answer dot pushback. If it is remainder is one, then I have to else if remainder is equal to one, then I have to push this. Else condition, if anyway remainder is going to it must be two. Then I have to answer dot pushback G. I am returning answer. Yes, I got for sample test case. I got correct answer. I am doing the final submission now. Guys, it's submitted successfully. Guys, if you try your own in brute force method, it will definitely give you TLE. So guys, this is one of the best method. Is a DB method. Uh, Here main task in the question is we have to understand this logic. You guys take one test case and try your own, so you will understand more better. Without trying, you don't understand anything. So and please do subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you.